For more than 100 years, we have been burning petroleum and gases for energy, but there are major concerns with our future energy source. The price of petroleum has skyrocketed in price over the last 10 years, and we're not sure when the gas is going to run out, but we know for a fact that it will run out. Also, burning petroleum releases CO2, SO2, and nitrogen oxides, which cause smog to form, leading to respiratory problems and also contributing to global warming. What energy source is our future?
The future of energy is here today. Hydrogen fuel cells, combining hydrogen and oxygen to create electricity, with its only byproduct being heat and water. Much better and more efficient than internal combustion engines, as it does not produce greenhouse gases. We can harvest hydrogen from natural gas. We can take this natural gas from landfills, therefore recycling and reusing the garbage that we have already created to be used in our hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen and oxygen will always be available to us. Therefore, hydrogen fuel cells are the wave of the future.
A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical that combines hydrogen and oxygen. This device produces electricity, heat, and water. There are three main parts to the fuel cell: anodes, cathodes, and an electrolyte. Anodes are negative electrodes and produce electrons. Electrolytes are in the center, and a cathode that is positive takes in electrons. So as hydrogen fuel cells pass through, they are separated. Only the protons of an atom are allowed to the anode. The electrolyte helps separate electrons and protons. This electrolyte helps the proton go to the cathode side of the cell. Because the electrolytes cannot pass through, they must take an outside circuit, which creates electricity that can power a light bulb, for example. As oxygen goes into the cell, a catalyst makes all the electrons and protons combine. This creates water and heat. These individual fuel cells can be put into a stack to be produced for greater energy.
Hello. By utilizing both heat and electricity from both, they'll make a significant contribution to reducing atmospheric emissions. We can produce up to 60% less CO2 emissions at the fossil fuel stage, with only a few disadvantages. Hydrogen fuel cells have restrictions due to size, cost, reliability, and safety. It's hard to make this ready for the consumer market when no one is investing in it. The current cost of both fuel cells and hydrogen fuel makes them uncompetitive due to high prices. The major barriers to the development of our energy source are economic cost, consumer acceptance, and safety, and a major appeal to people is the low emissions and high efficiency. Thank you.